Hi, I'm Amy Lakin, and welcome to Unit 4, Examining Controversial Issues, Part 2. Last week, you and your classmates debated the first course topic in the discussion boards. Now it's time to repeat the process for the second course topic. This week, you will need to become more familiar with course topic 2, especially the different points of view and the controversy surrounding it. Remember that the Opposing Viewpoints database in the AIU online library has an overview article that provides background information and differing points of view. Read the overview article and consider, what does one side think? What does the other side think? What basic reasons and evidence surround the different points of view? To complete the Unit 4 individual project, you will need to determine your opinion about this second course topic and why you have that opinion. You will also need to explain how and why someone would disagree, which is called the opposing view. Keep in mind that you will apply the work you complete this week for the Unit 4 individual project to the Unit 5 discussion board assignment. Just like last week's assignment, the Unit 5 discussion board will be a platform for the class to argue their opinions, supported with evidence, about the second course topic. You will state and defend your opinion and counter-argue the opposing view. Use this time to practice writing your opinions clearly and logically while paraphrasing, summarizing, or quoting sources that show your opinions are valid. This practice prepares you to write your research paper during the second 5 weeks of the course. Have fun and good luck!